Well, I'm finally camping. So after a 1.5 year wait, you're finally going to get a camping video out of me. I'm at Cumberland Mountain State Park in Crossville, Tennessee, and there's a few people around, so I won't be talking very much. I'll film a lot though. There won't be a lot of talking in this film. All right. Don't worry, I'll make it nice. Yeah, this ain't going like I thought it was gonna go. I'm piled up in the Jeep. I don't know if you can see the setup here. Pillow, I'm in the passenger seat. Got my coffee and everything in my shoe. And I am beat. So tired. I'm going to crash out for a while and I'll see y'all in seconds on this video. It'll only be mere seconds. These are the party animals from last night. They were playing some very strange music. I actually slept pretty good. It got cold. I'm gonna get a sleeping bag and a big blanket. I'm gonna get up and get moving, make me some coffee, and we'll head down to Rock Island State Park. All right, y'all, we're up, moving. Paid for my campsite. I had to stop at the ranger station and do that. I won't be banned from Tennessee State Parks. All right, let's get on the move. We're gonna go to Rock Island and see what it looks like. I can't believe I've never heard of this place. There's some pretty cool stuff here just right at the entrance. Can you see those falls coming off that mountain right there? I thought that was a dam at first. No, it's a waterfall coming off a mountain. I can't zoom in. GoPros don't zoom. That's the downfall. I think I put my finger in the right spot. But there's where I was. The camera, I don't think does the justice of how big these bluffs behind me are. They're monstrous. Look at them things. I'm disappointed in myself for not knowing this place even existed. State parks are pretty good in Tennessee. So I'll keep hitting more of them and keep putting videos up about them, and you guys keep watching, and please like and subscribe. That would make me a very happy individual. So you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching.